I got my baby first PR collab from two companies on TikTok shop, and I'm really so excited to try this product to my baby. So let's open the first package and see what she gets. So this one is from Ever Eden Skincare. Thank you, Ever Eden, for being so generous to my baby. And she got here a baby body wash. So I'm gonna open. This one is a baby face cream, and this is what she really needs. So my baby usually get eczema around her face, and it's really hard for me to find a face cream that is plant-based ingredients. So this will gonna help. This one is a body lotion. And let's open the second package and let's see what she gets. So this one is from Biluband Playmat. I am so happy. Thank you. My baby really need this playmat because my baby, she loves to crawl and pulling herself up, and she usually landed to hard surfaces. So this playmat will gonna protect her head, hand, and knees. So thank you for this playmat.